Welcome back, guys. Today I have for you is I am cleaning and organizing my cabinets on the right side of my kitchen. And then I'm also going to get into my fridge and freezer. I just want to give you a quick warning. My freezer looks atrocious because I had a can of Coke burst in there, so. You guys, so the last part of organizing my fridge is I am going to put my husband's fruit into a fridge drawer, and then I will be finished with all of my organization. I've already got my pantry and everything. Okay, so now I know that I need to stock up more on fruit, and I'm not sure if I showed or even mentioned why I need to stock up on yogurts, but this is what I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things of yogurts left.